Hello and welcome back to a new video here in the Trading for Everyone channel. Today we are going to talk about 10 things that you have to know about Bybit. Bybit is one of the leader cryptocurrency exchange around the world, so we are going to explain 10 things that in my opinion is important to know. Remember that these videos are not a recommendation. You have to do your own research and take your own decisions. First point. If you go to CoinMarketCap, that is the leader website in which you can check everything regarding cryptocurrencies, you can go to exchange and you can go to derivatives, and in here you can go and see which are the leaders around the world. And we can see that Bybit reached the second place after Binance, so it's not a small company, it's a big company around the world. And why this is important when we trade? Well, first, because we have to remember that the exchange are companies and a company can go bankruptcy, and if the company is bigger, the probability that this company go bankruptcy is lower than a small exchange that you are using. And the second point is that if you are trading with derivatives and futures, you will want that your order goes straight away to the market and you don't have to wait until you place the order. Second point, you don't have to do KYC, know your customer, a verification of your accounts to start trading. So that is a thing that maybe worry a lot of people. So to use this exchange in comparison, for example, to Binance, you don't have to do KYC, you don't have to verify your account to start trading. And also, when we talk about which markets or which cryptocurrencies are available in this exchange, we can see that 112 markets, 112 cryptocurrencies are available to trade in this exchange. If you compare this with Binance, there are not so many, but if you compare with the other leader exchange around the world, for example, Bybit, FTX, Fimex, BitGet, is a lot more. So you can trade even the smaller cryptocurrency inside this exchange. Third point, how you can buy cryptocurrencies inside Bybit. Well, different ways. You can buy straight away with your credit or debit card. You can deposit fiat currency using a bank transfer, or you can deposit your crypto that you have in your personal wallet or in another exchange. But it also has a P2P trading. This is useful for any type of countries. For example, in Latin America, we have some issues in regards to send money outside to overseas, for example, Mexico, Argentina, and different places around the world. So even if you have a difficult country, you can buy crypto using P2P. So in here, you can select your currency, and in here, you can select all the different type of payment methods that are available in this P2P trading platform. So you can buy crypto to another person. If you want us to create another video explaining in detail how to use the P2P trading in Bybit, you can leave us a comment. Fourth point, it also has a Launchpad. What is a Launchpad? A Launchpad is a way in which you can buy a cryptocurrency in advance before it gets listed on an exchange. And what you can gain about that: normally, when a new cryptocurrency is listed in a big exchange as Bybit, the price normally go up like crazy. So you can experience a huge gain if you use this ability or possibility that this exchange, another exchange, give to you. You have to be careful. This is a really extremely risky type of trading, because what normally happens with the price after they go up as crazy, then go down also really quickly. So you have to be prepared to experience a lot of volatility. But if you like this type of trades, you can use it on your behalf. Also, if you believe that the fundamentals of a project are good, you can keep it on hold for the long term. Point number 5, you can also use a Bybit grid bot. What that it means, you can create your own bot by free, and you can define different type of levels in which you want the bot to trade. This is useful when for example, the Bitcoin is going sideways. You can create a bot and you can trade automatically, gaining some Bitcoin, some money, while the price is going sideways. And also you can copy different type of bots that are already created. You can filter and you can gain money copying another type of bot. Point number 6. In this platform, you can trade spot trading and also future trading. So there is a lot to trade in this platform, because, for example, if you want to buy the Bitcoin straight away, you can use the spot trading. But if you want to speculate with the contracts, you can trade using derivatives, or for example USDT perpetual, and in that way you can trade up and down, short and long, so even with leverage. And you can also trade with different type of cryptocurrencies that are listed in this exchange. So the platform is really easy to understand. It uses TradingView, so you can add to this chart a lot of indicators, a lot of trending lines, and analyze the volume. You can do a technical analysis and take a position up or down depending on what you believe that the price is going to do. Which are the commissions, the fees that you have to pay to trade with Bybit? Well, if you go to CoinMarketCap, you can also go to exchanges, derivatives, and in here you will see how much you are going to pay using Bybit. The fees are two, depending which type of order are you going to place. For example, if you are trading with market orders, you are going to pay this 0.075% when you place the order. But if you use limit order, you are going to pay negative commission. What it means, a negative commission, a negative fee? Well, in reality, you are not paying any fees at all. So depending which type of order you are using, in this case, you are using the cheapest exchange in the world. But if you are using this type of order, the fees are not so cheap in comparison with other exchange. So you have to be clear about this. If you want to create an account in Bybit and you use the link that I leave you below in the description, you are going to save some fees and you are going to get some bonus when you create your account, so you can use it in order to reduce the cost. Point number 7. You can also trade with options, option trading, call and puts. This is something that is not so common in other exchange regarding cryptocurrencies, so could be useful for you. But not only this, if you go to derivatives, you can see that these options are based on USDC and not USDT. What is the difference? Well, it's another stablecoin, and there are a lot of concerns about USDT, because after what happened with Terra, a lot of people start thinking what could happen if the USDT lost the peg. So if you are worried about that, you can use a perpetual contracts or option contracts that are based on USDC instead of USDT. That is something that I didn't see in any other exchange. Point number 8. You can copy other traders. If you are not good at trading and if you believe that it's better to copy someone else, you can select, you can filter, and you can copy another trader that shared his strategy, and you can earn passive income while he trades. But you have to be really careful that if that trader goes wrong, you are going to lose money. So be aware of that. You can also become a trader and another people can copy your strategy, and you can earn also money as a passive income. So this is a feature that a lot of exchanges are introducing in their accounts, so it could be useful for you. Point number 9, you can also earn a lot of passive incomes if you go to earn overview. You will see all the possibilities regarding mining, Launchpad, liquidity mining, savings, staking. So if you like to earn some money while you hold your favorite cryptocurrency, this part of the platform could be useful for you. You can select the different alternatives regarding the different type of assets, and remember that also are risks involved. If you love NFTs, you can go also to this side of the platform and you can buy and sell your different NFTs in this part of the website. The NFTs are collectible. You can buy, hold, and then sell in a higher price if you believe that the NFT could have a higher value in the future. This is really speculative, so have to be aware of that. And last but not least, Bybit is one of the principal partner sponsor of Red Bull F1 team. And how this could impact on us? Well, in my opinion, if a big exchange sponsor a big team around the world, that means that it has a lot of global presence and is not a small company. So if you connect this point with the first point, you can understand that if you use a bigger company, the probability to have issues with that company in particular could be lower. But remember that the best way to store your own cryptocurrencies is use a personal software or hardware wallet. If you save your cryptocurrencies in an exchange, you always have the risk in regards to your cryptocurrency in case that this, for example, exchange go bankruptcy. So this is the end of the video. Remember to create an account with the link that I leave you below in the description or in the first comment. In that way, you are going to get some bonus and you are also helping the channel to keep growing. Leave us a comment if you believe that is a good change, if you believe that has some issues, if you want us to create another type of tutorial regarding another type of exchange. Have a nice day and thanks to watch the video until the end. See you.